lime. It's a leaf, and this one is a fruit. It's from the same tree. But for this one, we don't eat inside because it's sour and sometimes have a little bit bitter. So we eat the skin from the green one for make the curry paste.
Yeah. Thank you. Right.
You guys
Garlic.
Garlic.
obviously.
This is the Thai garlic. You see, it's so tiny and the skin is very soft. You can eat all of this. Also, the flavor is come more from the skin as well. In the whole thing is be like this, but it's smaller.
Red onion,
Shallot, onions. Yeah.
Shallot.
How about this?
white onion.
Onion. How about this one?
Lime.
Oh wow, very good. Have you seen before?
No.
Thai eggplant or yeah, it's crunchy. It's not soft like this. It's more crunchy, more crispy. Really nice. We use for curry soup like that. But you
That one?
purple
Yes,
and
purple.
black.
Yeah, the purple.
Yeah. And you can see the tiny one like this. The texture is same with the common one, but for the tiny one, most of them we don't cook it. We always eat in the fresh one. But you can cook it with like the for texture or something like that. But most of the time, people always eat in the fresh one, dipping with a spicy sauce or eat with some curry, something that's spicy. Front of it. This one,
That with
pea eggplant. Yeah, P-E-A-P eggplant. It looks like the pea. Inside is bitter.
bitter.
Yeah, wanna try it? A bit, not too much.
Let me try.
Pea eggplant. Yeah, pea eggplant. Bitter but not much. Ah. Didn't fuck with.
Bitter. Get it?
But when it touches the heat, it's better, but still bitter.
It is bitter.
And you can see another one. It has the tiny hair cover the fruit like this.
Santor.
No, this
Hairy eggplant.
Really another
Hairy
eggplant?
eggplant.
Another eggplant.
The seed is same with the common one, but the texture is sour, like the lime. So we use it for make the big spicy sauce, like the Thai style, or some soup that you want sour.
Ginger. Okay.
What's this?
Ginger.
Ginger. How about this?
Turmeric? Another ginger.
Another ginger. This is
That's turmeric.
ginger. Okay. I think this one you guys already know, right?
Yeah.
This one is Thai ginger or ka. In Thai we call ka. Yeah, ka. You need to say ka because if you say ka, it means your leg. When you say ka, it means kill.
Alright.
Three meanings. No. If you say ka,
How you
It
pronounce
is-
it?
ka, it means kill. But you say ka, it means leg.
Okay.
Ka. So this one is ka. It's so important for coconut soup with chicken. Have you tried before? The
Coconut
coconut
what?
soup with chicken or tom kha gai.
No.
Tom kha gai, coconut soup with chicken. Okay, it's okay. This is so important. That's why we call tom kha gai because this is a ka. So we use this one for make the tom yum as well. You can smell from this.
It's good. Smells good.
It's nice. And another one is like the finger, but when you eat more, it feels like hot inside your mouth. Yeah. But when the fruit taste is not spicy or like that. But when you eat more, it's hotter.
Smell it or eat it?
Correct. Yeah. For Thai people, when we cook it, we always use in the fridge for cooking. But for powder like this, for beauty.
Really?
Yeah. You can make with the honey, coconut oil, or tamarind, and then you scrub your skin. And then your skin it turns to smooth. But don't put too much because it can turn to be normal. Yeah. Can you give me back, please? Thank you. It's okay. See you.
Thai basil.
1, 2, 3. Okay. The first one, sweet basil.
Nakita nung ano.
Sweet basil or horapa or Thai basil. We use it for curry soup. This one for curry soup. This one for the soup, just a normal soup. And this one for stir fry. But actually every basil you can switch. It depends what you like.
Yeah, I planted one of those.
Private so long and then
I planted one. It has a beautiful flower.
And the next one, holy basil. This one, you can hit that. Okay. This one, holy basil or grab pao. Have you tried grab pao? Stir fry grab pao with chicken. With
Oh
pork.
yeah. Holy.
Holy.
Holy baby. Eggplant aromata.
And this one, lemon basil.
Oh, it's lemon.
Lemon basil. My favorite.
Press.
Yeah,
Lemongrass.
lemongrass.
Sige, putol na siya, Des. Dili natin ato, Des.
Okay, and the next one, cilantro or coriander. Yeah, do you like it? The normal coriander? Who don't like it? Cilantro. Yeah. Too much.
Too much. Yeah.
Okay, so this one is the same family with coriander. We call sawtooth coriander because it have the tiny shaft cover the leaves. You can see in closer. It have the tiny shaft cover the leaf like the sawtooth. It's stronger.
Yeah, it's stronger. It's stronger.
The same family as coriander.
And the last one, pandan leaf, Pandan, pandan leaf for dessert, for color. When you walk around the market, you can see the traditional dessert have the green. Maybe they maybe use it for make the mango sticky, right? But just for flavor, no color.
Nga makita naman na. Akong ibutan sa ko.
Private store, guys. Grass, but when it's hot, the heat is more flavor, like the sweet flavor.
But you pandas eat this. That is called panda grass.
Yeah, in this. One. You like it? Spicy.
You like it nice and spicy.
But some kind of pepper or chili is not spicy. Like this, we call, what do you call sweet pepper?
No.
Sweet bell pepper?
Oh, sweet bell. We Thai we call sweet pepper.
No, that's not bell pepper. That's the bell pepper.
This is pepper. And how about this?
Sili
Jalapeno?
espada.
Sili espada.
We call it sili espada.
Sili espada or
Oh, okay. Thai people call this sweet pepper,
Like
or sweet chili, like that.
our stitch is a little
And for
bit
this one, we
bigger.
call bell pepper. Yeah.
Right.
So this one is not spicy, right? The red one like this, we dry it first, turn to be the dry, for make the curry paste because we need the color like really, really great. Except the green color, green curry. That's why we need to keep the red one from the green.
Oh. So the red one you dry it with the color.
Yeah.
The green one as is. No.
Because when you dry the green, when the green turn to dry, it turn to black. It turn to brown. That's why we keep them fresh like that. You can see another one is a medium size, medium spicy.
Yeah.
Bird eye chili.
Medyo spicy.
Yeah, medium spicy for me.
Spicy
Sure
na
for
gito
you.
sa kabo.
Who wanna try it?
Nah, thank you.
You? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Not too spicy.
Yeah, not too spicy. But we have another one.
Yeah, that.
It's smaller pieces.
Put that in our vinegar.
In the England name is the same, bird eye chili. Small pieces, more spicy.
Yeah.
You wanna compare this?
Terrible.
go, go, go. Ah,
เขาชอบกินนะ แต่ท้อง
don't cry. The red one is more spicy. The red one is more spicy. Yeah.
It is more spicy.
Yeah. But for me, I prefer the smaller one because it's cooler more than the medium one. It's not smell like the cream, something like that for the tiny one. It's a good for eat in the bread, or it's good for make the sauce, the spicy sauce, seafood sauce, thing like that.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
In the Philippines, we put that in vinegar so that extra spicy.
Yeah, some people, Thai people like eat one bite for the rice and take one
Wow.
for the chili, one bite for the rice, one bite for chili. Oh, very hot. Okay, and this one, the secret way, you don't have time enough for prepare or lazy today. You see everything is a packet like this. Green curry,
So fast.
massaman, rat pao, tom yum, curry soup. Also the tamarind sauce. And this one, pad thai sauce. And this is our Thai chili paste. If you want to make the tom yum soup, this one, really nice. When you order the tom yum soup, you can see the yellow layer, like the red one on top of the soup, right? This one is not spicy. It's made from the Thai chili paste, but it's spicy from the bird eye chili. This one is made from the sweet pepper. That's why it's not spicy. It's just the color. Yeah. Okay. Any questions?
Not so far.
Okay.